Hello and welcome to the Listening Post's unboxing channel on YouTube. Today I'm not unboxing anything. Today I'm looking at why I established this unboxing channel, and to its core it was about celebrating and sharing some of the really cool things that I got to touch every day and play with. The unboxing channel was again a celebration of exactly that, going, hey, look at what I've found today, or hey, look at what is new. Well, I'll be celebrating 25 years in this industry, and what I'm doing now is perhaps revisiting some of the things that got me really excited, some of the things that today's modern iterations of were, decades ago. One of them is the DragonFly Red USB DAC. Now, I remember, the first one would have been a Firefly or a Firestone Audio Black Key or something like that, circa 2010, so you work it out, it's more than a decade ago. And it introduced something that you plugged into a USB output of a laptop or a computer, and it moved the responsibility of the audio into something that was far more dedicated. It was something that was somewhat portable. Some of the first attempts were a bit clumsy, and why I'm so proud of the DragonFly Red and the Black, which is the junior model, and the Cobalt, which is the one up, is it simplified absolutely everything. DragonFly Audio Quest, obviously, they sorted out all the software and developed something that was a real plug and play. Laptops were probably the key market for these. And when you played files, it used to, well, it still does, change the colour of the DragonFly logo depending on the resolution of the file, right the way up to MQA. It gave you a 3.5mm output, which could be variable for headphones or fixed if it was going to then go to a higher end piece of electronics, giving you a huge improvement over the sound in a laptop or something along those lines. But what we started to do, and one of the reasons that I want to share it, is that we started to jam these things in our phones with a little wee adapter and all sorts of things depending on Apple configurations and things. We'd get ourselves a USB cable of some kind, some ad hoc version, and jam our phone in and use the on-the-go settings to enable this external USB to provide a really credible digital to analog converter and a specialized headphone amplifier all in one. Because let's be honest, nobody buys a laptop for how good it sounds, or a phone for how well it powers our headphones. And this gave people a really portable, easy to use device that could be plugged in and transferred between a PC, a laptop, or a cell phone, and utilize any number of different headphones and vastly improve our audio experience. And that's why I wanted to share it. These USB devices, this one, Audio Quest, there's a whole range of them available. These are quite iconic and quite memorable in my industry over these 20-25 years, celebrating some of these little things, these inexpensive little things that have made my hi-fi experience so much better. So there we have it. Today we're celebrating Audio Quest's DragonFly Red. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more, subscribe to our channel.